Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, what is the area, circumradius and end radius of a regular hexagon of side A? So, a hexagon is nothing but 6 equilateral triangles placed around a point. So let us draw a hexagon first. This is the hexagon. This is the in circle. And this is the circumcircle. So, and let this be the center. So, the circumradius is equal to this, which is the side of the equilateral triangle, that is a hexagon. So circumradius is equal to A. Now the end radius, that is radius of circle inside hexagon, is equal to altitude of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 2 into A. So area of the hexagon is equal to 6 into area of equilateral triangles, that is 6 into root 3 by 4 A squared, or 3 root 3 by 2 A squared. So option A. The next question is, if x by A is equal to y by B is equal to z by C, then xy plus yz plus zx is equal to. So let x by A is equal to y by B is equal to z by C be equal to k. Therefore x is equal to ak, y is equal to bk, and z is equal to ck. So x plus y plus z is equal to k into a plus b plus c. Therefore, x plus y plus z squared is equal to k squared into a plus b plus c whole squared, or x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to k squared into a plus b plus c whole squared. Therefore 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to k squared into a plus b plus c whole squared minus x squared plus y squared plus z squared. And from here we get xy plus yz plus zx is equal to k squared by 2 into a plus b plus c squared minus half x squared plus y squared plus z squared, that is equal to x squared into a plus b plus c squared minus a squared x squared plus y squared plus z squared by 2a squared. Over here we replace the value of k squared by x squared by a squared. So the correct option is option B.